So there's a couple of reasons I'm out today. One is to try and think of a catchphrase. Actually, that'll make 3 reasons I'm out today. No, okay. Apart from finding a catchphrase, which I can't. I won an eBay bid for some Dainese Amsterdam Winter-Textile Trousers, which I don't know if you can see. I'll take a pic or something. I've always and only ever worn leathers. I always did wear a textile winter jacket in the winter. Always wore leathers. Decided, because I intend to ride a lot more this winter than normal, I have to get Dainese due to the zip system, because you know how they are rather, a bit like Apple and Android with their lightning cables and that. And Dainese are expensive. That's all. But anyway, there was a pair going on eBay for a fairly decent price, but because it's Christmas, a bit, oh dear. I just put in an offer, quite a low offer, not expecting to win, and I did. So I'm trying them out now. Second reason I'm out is I had a couple of people say to me, motovlogging piece of, it's easy. You just stick a camera on your helmet, and film your bacon sandwich, go home and watch the millions roll in on YouTube, don't you? I wish that was so. So, seeing as I'm out riding on this beautiful 1997 Fireblade, I thought I'd have a little chat about that. So I suppose when it comes to motorcycle video content categories, motovlogging is in general one of the least popular. Is it easy to motovlog? What is it, as people say, just stick a camera on and then just upload it to YouTube? Or is there a lot more involved? Well, there can be a lot. There can be, and it can be easy. You can just stick a camera on, upload. Or if you're doing a more, lengthy ride and you wanting to take someone somewhere, you're going to have to get a little bit more complicated. Also, how much effort do you want to put in? Do you enjoy editing? Now, editing, of course, if you do want to make something that is artistically a bit more professional, that's not going to get you views. It does, it is nice to look at, but if the content's crap, it can look as good as you want. You can hire Steven Spielberg, but if the movie's crap, no one's going to watch it. Hey, Snow White.
Weird.
So as I said, you can download the footage to stick the video on your lid, rig up a mic to your helmet, film, get home, download it to your phone, and upload it to YouTube. And if you've got a good idea, people are going to watch it anyway. If you want to play around, you've got to enjoy it, because, oh my god, video editing is a very, very lengthy process. Just think of when you get back from the ride. Apart from getting all your gear off and all that sort of stuff, that all goes into it, by the way. And time-wise, is getting your bike ready, getting your gear on, cleaning your bike after, as if like me, you're riding in winter. So you've got to get a camera off. You've then got to download the footage. Now, if you've done some other stuff on your phone, maybe you've got to download that footage. That could take a while. Depends on how much you filmed. And then begins the editing process. But editing-wise, there's a lot of programs out there. I used to use a free program called what was it called? Film 1? I can't remember. Can't remember what it's called. But I've actually gone to Premiere Pro. There's a whole argument on that, but I've also started doing few videos for work and that sort of thing, and I just love Premiere Pro, but I have to pay for it. I'm negotiating with work to get them to pay for it, but don't hold my breath. I use a Mac. I used to have a Lenovo, but when you start playing around with editing, like I don't know if you've seen some of my videos where there's lots of cuts, overlays, I like to put in little segments here and there, music, and the Lenovo just couldn't take it. Go on. You going? Okay, you're not going. And I've got a MacBook Pro, and that's brilliant. That's literally tripled the speed of my editing. My indicator stopped working again. Ashley! Oh yeah, my indicator's definitely stopped working. Fuck's sake. So why do I do it? I do it because I enjoy editing. I really enjoy it. I find it relaxing. It does take a lot of time, but I kind of zone out on it, and I really like it. So it kind of adds to the experience. I love writing. I love editing. And even if tomorrow I lost all my subscribers, demonetized and everything, I'd carry on doing it. So to go back to the original question, is motovlogging easy? Well, it's as easy or as hard as you want it to be. It's that though, with these trousers, and they're fully armoured, and my heated gloves and my heated vest, all textiled up like an adventure biker, I am almost roastingly warm. Chestnuts roasted by an open fire. Fire blades taking me for a ride. Enough of that. So these are supposed to be fully waterproof. They've got a removable lining. I can't remember the level of armour, but it's good. Hip, knee and shin. As I mentioned, these Dainese Amsterdams zip to my jacket, so no draft down me crack. Let's see if I can find a way to stop, and I haven't got a tripod with me. Let me just show you what they look like. Narrow roads and vans, the joys of the UK. Now I personally think these are bloody sexy. They fit me well. These are a 32 inch, and all my jeans are 32, so it's absolutely spot on. The zip here, so you can take the armour out. You've got Velcro adjustment on the side as well, and it's the Dainese system, so it zips in. It's the removable lining, waterproof inner lining, and personally, I think they look pretty damn good. Look better if I lived in there. Better call the police in a minute. There's a dodgy bloke hanging outside. But anyway, yeah, good deal on these. And my legs are toasty warm. So, with that, I'd like to wish you all a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays on however you decide to celebrate the time off in the UK or wherever you may be. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.